In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in Wix. If you've ever been editing your Wix site and made a change you didn't like, or accidentally deleted something important, knowing how to quickly undo that change can save you a lot of stress. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the undo option in the Wix editor and how to use it confidently while you work. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you've opened your site in the Wix editor, not just in preview or live view. You should see your website layout in the center of the screen with toolbars around it. We're going to focus on the toolbar at the top of the editor. Look toward the top of the screen for a small arrow-shaped icon, usually curved and pointing to the left. This is the undo icon. It's typically located near other common actions like save, redo, and site settings. If you hover your mouse over it, you should see a small label appear that says undo, confirming you're in the right place. Now, imagine you've just moved a text box, changed a color, or deleted an image by mistake. To reverse that last action, simply click the undo icon once. After you click it, watch your page carefully. The most recent change you made should immediately be reversed. For example, if you moved an element, it will jump back to its previous position. If you deleted something, it should reappear on the page. You can click the undo icon multiple times if you need to go back through several recent actions, step by step. Each click moves you one action backward in your editing history. Just keep in mind that undo works only within your current editing session, and it affects actions in the order they were done. If you go too far back and realize you actually liked a change, you can look for the redo icon, usually a curved arrow pointing to the right, and click that to move forward again through your recent actions. A helpful tip is to get into the habit of using undo right away when something doesn't look right, rather than trying to manually fix it. This keeps your layout clean and saves time. And that's really all there is to it. When you're in the Wix editor, use the undo icon at the top of the screen to quickly reverse your latest changes and keep your site looking exactly the way you want.